scrappers, who's here again. So today we're going to be scrapping bicycles. It's a popular thing to get in the summertime. A lot of people, especially towards the end of the season, are getting rid of all their bicycles. A few things that you need to learn before you start messing with these things. Number one, parts are always going to be worth more money than the scrap. There's different types of bikes. You have steel, aluminum alloyed bikes, and titanium. All right, so the first thing you need to do is hit that bike with a magnet. If it doesn't stick, look up the name brand on it. Like it says Schwinn or whatever it says on it, look it up, and that'll tell you if it's made out of titanium. If it's made out of titanium, that's big money. So you can sell a frame and get tons of money for it. I've seen frames go for $2,000 to $3,000. So we're going to take a look at these. Most of them are mostly steel. However, they all have some aluminum parts. So it's up to you if you want to take the time to rip those parts off. If not, just scrap it as is. But we're going to show you where you can find some of these parts. So we're going to start off with this little guy. First, take your magnet. Sticks, 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 sticks. It sticks everywhere. So this whole bike is steel, right? So just throw it in with your steel part. This bike sticks, doesn't stick. Sticks, doesn't stick, sticks. Alright, so the wheels are aluminum on this one. And this one is right here on the column. It says Silver Series aluminum. So we know that this frame part is made out of aluminum. And the wheels. So what we're going to do is we're just going to rip this apart and take the aluminum off. Alright, so sometimes these tires have a little clip on them. I'm just going to pop off. And there we go. So we got one wheel. In most cases, you just take a flathead screwdriver, get underneath the wheel, and pop it right off. This little valve end here is brass if you want to pull that off. Another quick way is you just take a pair of wire cutters and you snip them off. Take them off just like that. Now something that a lot of people miss is this part right here. This is all aluminum. And pull off your aluminum piece here. And that does not stick to the magnet, so that is most likely aluminum. Those are some rusted washers. That part's magnetic, so that's steel. And there you go. Another chunk of. So we've got this little hex head screw here. So that comes off. So let's do it. Pops off. Alright, so this ring is cast aluminum on this one. Make sure you check out yours because you never know what it's going to be made of. And that screw is ferrous, so remove that. Alright, so back wheel's off. We'll take the spokes and the tire off like we did in the first one. Every bike is different, so it's a matter of just, working all the little pieces off. And another piece here, part of the brakes, is going to have more aluminum all over it, but you got to take some of that steel off. Alright, kickstand's off, another piece of iron. Sticking a ratchet handle in there. There we go. And you've got to spin that around. Alright, so now the pedal's completely off. We're left with the frame, and let's do the chain. Use some bolt cutters here to get rid of that chain. Alright, so that's it. We've got a nice solid chunk of aluminum here for the frame. Alright, so in one of my last videos I had asked people to comment what they thought the most important tool in their toolbox was. And the winner is a cordless drill. Followed by a magnet and wire cutters. Fourth place winner would be knowledge. So basically YouTube videos and learning things here and there about what they're scrapping. So those are the four most important things that you viewers said were wanted in your scrapper's toolkit. So we've got cordless drill, magnet, pliers, wire cutters, that kind of thing, and knowledge. So hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, hit that like button down there. If not, hit the don't like button down there. Either way is fine with me. Good feedback. Make sure you comment, subscribe. See you on the next one. And